Hello everyone, I just wanted to introduce you to my daughter Lydia. Liddy, say hi. Hi. Liddy's gonna show you one of my favorite products. It is my all-time best-selling product. Liddy, can you show us how it works? So this is the My Safe Cutter knife, and it's available as part of a new set called the pumpkin carving set. So this is, that's really nice, Liddy. This is a really cool knife. It's really serrated, but it cuts through vegetables and food, but it won't cut their little fingers. It won't cut their skin. So it's great for little kids who are learning how to cut food. And I have sold a ton of these to all of my friends with little ones because it is just such a great product. And it is the best knife I've ever used to carve a pumpkin. So it comes in our pumpkin carving kit, which is great for right now. We've still got a little ways to go before Halloween. And it also comes with this. So this is the scoop loop. So it's just a round little shape here, and it's great for scraping out the inside of your pumpkin, but you can also use it for squash, for cantaloupe, scraping out the inside of a pepper, like a red pepper. And yeah, great little kitchen gadget here. But really my favorite is that tiny little knife, and it's a great product, great gift as well for little ones. So definitely fantastic for the Halloween season, but a tool that my kids use year round. I've got 4 kids that are 2, 4, 6, and 8, and they have all used this, even this little one. Say hi, Edda. Do you want to have a turn with the knife? You gonna show everyone? Okay, Liddy, can you let Edda come and show people how the knife works? Okay, hop up here. Good job. Hop up here, Edda, and show everyone how to cut a cucumber.
Turn it over.
Turn it over. There you go. Okay.
Do your cutting back and forth.
Good job, Edda.
You can do it, Edda.
Edda, can I have a turn?
Keep going.
Good work, Edda.
Cucumber.
Keep going. So it's really great because it's the serrated edge. Oh, yeah, she's just going for it. The serrated edge is great because they can use it sort of like a saw, like Edda did. And now she's just going right for the cuke. Okay, just let her finish with it. So there you have it. One of my favorite little tools. Say bye, everyone. Hope you have a good supper. Bye.